Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Mailchimp audience lists with GDPR export tools step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab in the main menu. Select the audience list you want to backup. Click on Manage Audience and choose View Audience from the drop-down. Locate the Export Audience option. Click on Export Audience to generate a backup file. This will create a CSV file of your audience data. While the file is being prepared, check your email for a notification from Mailchimp. Once you receive the email, click the link to download your CSV file. Open the downloaded file using a spreadsheet program, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the data to ensure that all necessary information is included. To ensure GDPR compliance, manage any personal data accordingly. Delete any unnecessary personal information that does not comply with GDPR guidelines. Store the file in a secure location to protect personal data. Consider encrypting the file for additional security. Regularly backup your audience lists to stay compliant. This concludes the process of backing up your Mailchimp audience lists using GDPR export tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.